Quick and healthy Chinese recipes. Have you ever craved the bold and diverse flavors of Chinese cuisine but thought that preparing it at home would be too time-consuming or unhealthy? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. Quick and Healthy Chinese Recipes invites you on a culinary journey into the vibrant world of Chinese cooking, unveiling the secrets of how you can create delicious, nutrient-rich Chinese dishes without sacrificing time or health. This exploration celebrates the transformative potential of quick and healthy Chinese cooking, leaving you curious about the tantalizing array of dishes you can whip up in your own kitchen. 1. The allure of Chinese cuisine. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the worldwide fascination with Chinese cuisine, emphasizing its diversity, bold flavors, and the richness of its culinary traditions. 2. Balancing speed and health. Chinese food is often associated with takeout, but we'll delve into how you can balance speed with health, creating flavorful dishes at home. 3. The power of fresh ingredients. Discover the significance of fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and wholesome grains in Chinese cooking, and how they contribute to a balanced and healthy diet. 4. Quick stir-fries and wok magic. Stir-frying is a fundamental technique in Chinese cooking. We'll explore how this quick and high-heat method can create delectable dishes. 5. Delightful dumplings and dim sum. Learn to make dumplings and dim sum at home, creating a fun and interactive dining experience that's perfect for family and friends. 6. Nutrient-rich noodle dishes. Chinese noodles are diverse and satisfying. We'll discuss how to prepare noodle dishes that are both delicious and nutritionally balanced. 7. Healthy sauces and flavors. Uncover the art of balancing flavors with healthy sauces and seasonings, ensuring your dishes are both tasty and nourishing. 8. The journey to culinary mastery. In conclusion, quick and healthy Chinese recipes is a testament to the fact that enjoying Chinese cuisine doesn't have to mean unhealthy or time-consuming cooking. It's not just about ordering takeout, it's about recognizing the transformative power of quick and healthy Chinese cooking in your own kitchen. It's not just about flavors, it's about the journey to mastering the art of Chinese cuisine while nurturing your health and well-being. As we embark on this journey into the world of quick and healthy Chinese recipes, you'll discover the transformative potential of quick and healthy Chinese cooking in the comfort of your home. It's a journey of embracing the richness of Chinese flavors, exploring diverse cooking techniques, and nurturing your well-being through delicious, homemade dishes that capture the essence of Chinese cuisine. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.